We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7 by 20 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 18-inch mesh and a side gate. This does have your jack, coupler, and safety chains up front, as well as your breakaway system. This trailer has 18-inch of mesh along the side with your built-in tie-down points. This is a tandem axle. It has two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with 15-inch wheels and tires. There are brakes on the rear. Has your black diamond plate fenders, as well as the Dovetail. This does have a reinforced rear loading gate, an LED wired drive lights, here we have your side loading gate, is spring assisted, and we do have a spare tire mount on the passenger side. Once again, this is going to be the 7 by 20 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 18-inch mesh and side gate. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.